Okie dokie, let's see what we got today. New LED bulbs. I was riding along the other day and hold on. Moving his bike. Get over there. Yep, good enough. And apparently my turn signals weren't very bright, and so both my wife and my oldest were like, they need to be brighter for safety reasons. They're all worried about safety and stuff. So let's see here. Hopefully this comes off and back on pretty easy like. So the original ones I got, I'm going to pry this out. That could be part of the problem right there. Anyway, the ones I have are these little flat ones, and they only have LEDs there, and I was kind of thinking that'd be a good idea because it was just going to shine. Beep, beep, beep. I mean, it does come out the sides and everything, so, but with the new ones here, perhaps it will be better. So what I got with these are a few things. Number one, a lot more LEDs. It's got this lens with the bigger LEDs on it, and this is supposed to shine brighter. And I also figured if it's sticking out a little, then you know, maybe I'll get more flashy. So let's take a look and see. Oh wait, I can turn it and we can like watch it together. Oh, it's adorable. I got the right size, right? Yup. And then have it somewhere. Piece of foam that I was using to make it stay in place. Anyway, let's see here. Oh shit. Okay. So there's, I gotta put it in place better, but dang, look at that. That is like way bright. Okay, whoops, there's my finger. So that versus that, that's pretty good. All right, got these off of Amazon. Where's my finger? I don't even know what brand they were. There's just a million different brands of all the same things. So anyway, seems to be pretty dang bright. It's like, woo, woo, woo. Cool. Anyway, bye.